Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about deforestation and its effects on the environment. So the first topic that we are going to understand is what is deforestation. So deforestation means that when we clear the forest, we cut the trees and use that land for different purposes. For example, we take that land for agriculture and cultivation for growing different kinds of crops so that we are able to fulfill the hunger requirements of the people. Then we use it for living, we use it for making different houses and factories. We use the wood from the forest to make furniture and use the wood as fuel. Then we use that area for grazing of domestic animals like cows, like sheep, like goats, etc. We use that we do deforestation for natural products like soy, palm oil, wood products, rubber, etc. And there are some natural causes also for deforestation like forest fires and droughts. Now, the next point is what are the consequences? We have learned about what is deforestation and how it is caused. Now we are going to look at the consequences of deforestation. The first point is deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. What are the different pollutants? Pollutants are like carbon dioxide. As we know that we human beings and other organisms uh, breathe oxygen for our daily activities, for our survival. Oxygen is important, but if there would be more amount of carbon dioxide, it will be only because when we cut the trees. As we all know that plants use, they absorb carbon dioxide for making their food and for their growth. So if we will cut the trees, it will cause the growth of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Another point is it increases the level of carbon dioxide. It is the same point, it will increase the level of carbon dioxide because more there will be less trees and less carbon dioxide will be absorbed. Then the groundwater will get lowered and it will also decrease the rainfall and fertility of the soil. Now let's see some important questions related to consequences of deforestation. So the first question is how does deforestation causes increase in temperature? The answer for this will be as we all know that plants uses carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. First, let me explain what photosynthesis is. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants take sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, air, nutrients, etc. from the nature and make it to simpler substances to make their food. But if there will be less trees, it will result in increased amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Since there will be less trees, then less amount of carbon dioxide will be converted to oxygen. This will lead to global warming because carbon dioxide will trap the heat rays reflected by the earth. Carbon dioxide helps to trap the heat, it absorbs the heat, which will increase the temperature in the atmosphere. The rise of temperature on earth will affect the water cycle. When there will be more amount of temperature, there will be high temperature, the water will get evaporated, which will reduce the rainfall and cause droughts. It will also reduce the groundwater level. Now the next question that we are going to discuss is how does deforestation causes reduction in the fertility of soil? Point is deforestation is the major cause of changes in the soil properties. How? The roots of the plants and the trees help to bind the soil. The roots have small branches which help to bind the soil, the particles of the soil. If there will be less trees, the soil will remain loose. It will result in soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of the top layer of the soil because of different factors like air, water, ice, snow, animals, beings and their activities, etc. The next point is Removal of the top layer of soil exposes the lower, hard, and rocky layers. Because of the removal of the top layer, you will be able to see the lower layers of the soil, and these layers is has less amount of humus and it is less fertile, which is not good for growing the crops. Because of this, the fertile land will change to a desert, and this process is known as the desertification. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the contents and hope you find the notes useful. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.